John,
Sir.
what are we doing right now?
Well, you know how we always make jokes about your timing belt snapping?
Right.
When you're doing anything?
Yeah.
Do you know how far past the mileage you are?
I don't know for sure, but it's at minimum 100,000 miles.
Over.
Yeah.
The service limit.
I think so, yeah.
What is the service limit?
We think the service limit is 60,000.
Okay. So we're 100. Okay.
We're pretty sure we're 100,000 past that.
So we thought we'd check.
We did, yeah.
So looked online. This timing cover right here is actually it won't really come off because there's a bunch of wires and stuff holding it in. But we thought at least pry it away enough to see. So we thought we would.
So we did. And
I mean,
I've seen worse. It is still in one piece, but oh wow.
Did everybody hear that fall?
Something just fell.
It didn't hit the ground either. Oh,
nope.
Steven.
What'd you find? Ew, that's pretty sludgy.
It's just sludge and crap. Oh, wow. It's leaking pretty bad.
Oh boy.
That's sludge too. That's not even.
That's not good.
Oil.
You know, yeah, the belt looks pretty bad. Quite honestly, that's worse than I was expecting.
Is it?
It is. I didn't expect it to be cracked all the way around. Just everywhere. The whole thing. You can't see any part of it that's not cracked.
That part is true. What do you got there?
So, this is the timing case. The outside's pretty bad. If you look at how much built up crud there is. There's a lot. The thing that has me more concerned, though, is the inside and how much crud there is built up on the inside. Like, this is, get all the outside stuff off. That's a lot of...
Oh, wow, that's a lot of garbage.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just bad all the way around.
I dropped a bolt down there somewhere.
Oh, right.
So we're going to have to find that.
We need to find that.
For all those wondering,
the other one.
Like I was, why there's only one cam pulley for a dual overhead cam engine is because this runs cam number 1, and then cam number 1 actually has a gear on it, and the gear runs cam number 2. So it's actually a gear-driven cam system up here with just the one belt, which is cool because it means your cams are always in time, at least with each other on each cylinder, which is cool.
Well, we've already proven to ourselves that it has to be done. We knew it had to be done soon. I'm now actually concerned. I wasn't actually concerned before. I am now actually concerned. That looks really bad.
I don't want to tell you this, but that was my goal for the day.
Was that your goal?
Yeah.
To get me to be concerned?
When I casually mentioned that maybe we could pull the timing cover off and look.
What are you hoping? That we tear the front of the engine off?
I mean, not today, because it's fucking 2 p.m. on a Sunday. But
oh, jeez. Did we ever find that extra bolt?
No, I'll look in a bit.
Isn't that the 3 bolts right there?
There's 4.
Oh.
And a 9.
Oh. So we're pulling fuses out so that we can just run the starter a little bit and get the belt to turn so we can see it. And these, the little pickers that come in your fuse box, are so old that I've broken half the teeth off of it so it no longer works. So that's garbage. Now I have to buy a pair of needle nose to put in my car.
Permanently.
The number of tools that this car carries around with it every day is growing quickly. Because it already carries around that guy. Because that's where you fill the engine with coolant. It's a great car. Well, if you notice...
Oh, I guess I didn't, but yeah.
There's no radiator cap. So what you do is you fill that bad boy up.
Right.
But if the engine itself has been drained...
That's like the bleed and everything.
This is how you top the engine itself off.
Well, at least it's on top and easy to get to.
Yeah, it is.
Even if you do need a fucking 8,000-inch hex key.
Oh my god. Somebody JB welded. Oh, that fuse in there.
Maybe that's why they use the little ones.
Because they never come out?
Because they don't come out.
That should be enough things disabled.
Should be.
Shall we give it a shot?
yeah, it's covered in shmoo. As it's coming around, there's just more and more shmoo on it. Go ahead. Okay, keep going. Okay, I think we've gone all the way around. So all we've learned is that it's consistently bad all the way through the entire
It's all
build.
bad, huh?
It looks just like that through the whole thing.
Okay, I will admit, those belts do not last 100. Well, they do last 160,000 miles, but you should probably replace it more often than every 160,000 miles. Maybe. Hasn't snapped yet.
Keep driving it, you're gonna have to use your legs.
Okay.